This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stevens. This spacious, spotless and spectacular Halos floor plan sits on one of the most fantastic waterfront lots in the community. Truly beautiful views. Great location near the clubhouse and all amenities. No carpet in this home. Wide open floor plan. Neutral color palette to make this great house your home. Tropical landscaping creates a gorgeous resort feeling. Medley features its own luxurious clubhouse with indoor/outdoor dining and bar service, gym, card rooms, billiards, clubs, day trips, parties and dances, trivia, karaoke and DJ nights. In addition to all that Medley offers, you can also enjoy the crystal blue lagoon. The lagoon is a modern marvel which features 5.5 acres of activities for all ages as well as neighborhood celebrations, movies, parties, dining and so much fun. The grandkids won't be able to stay away. All information contained herein deemed accurate but subject to independent verification. All dimensions approximate. One-time capital contribution of $2,100 payable at closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stevens at 561-929-2269 cell.